I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to compare the 4G speed test between the OnePlus 9R and the iQ7 device. So this video is going to be something different from the previous videos, because previous videos I did use the one single SIM card and I did try to test simultaneously, but right now I'll try to use the two SIM cards. I do have the two V SIM cards which is present in the OnePlus 9R and which is also present in the iQ7 device. So right now let's see which phone will be able to have the really high speeds. That is what I'll try to focus in this video mainly. So let me try to show you friends quickly what is the SIM exactly I'm trying to use in both phones, so you know exactly I'm trying to use only the Idea SIM card in both phones. Let me try to go to the SIM details. As you can clearly see friends, I'm trying to use the Idea SIM here in the iQ7 device. Even in the OnePlus 9 also I'm trying to use only the Idea SIM card. You can clearly see here. So now let me try to go back to the NetMonster application. So first let me try to show you a few details whether the phone will be able to support the 4G plus aggregation or not, and all those details I'll try to show you exactly. Let me try to turn on the 4G data. I did turn on the 4G data, and let me try to open the NetMonster application. So right now as you can see friends, in both phones we are not getting any kind of 4G plus aggregation, but both are kind of 1800 band. As you can see here, LTE 1800 is showing clearly. So 4G LTE. So now let's test what will be the speeds. So how much speeds difference we can actually expect using the same vSIM card in both phones. So that is what the real question is actually. So this will be the really interesting test, because I'm trying to do this kind of testing in the indoor. So this is an indoor studio lighting studio environment test I'm trying to do, and in the indoors let's see which phone will be able to pick up much of the 4G internet from the vSIM card. That is what I want. Which phone will be having the highest speeds, and both are connected to the same kind of V server only at this point. As you can clearly see friends, V server. Let me try to first do the test in the OnePlus 9R and show you the results, how much we can expect in the OnePlus 9R. So in the OnePlus 9R I'm getting about more than 50 Mbps. As you can clearly see friends, 44, 46, 47, 48, 50, 49, and there is no 4G plus. There is no 4G plus, just only 4G speeds. Just normal basic 4G speeds. I'm getting about 55 Mbps in the OnePlus 9R. So now let's see how much the iQ7 can actually get this kind of speeds. So in case if you're interested in this kind of videos, make sure to type in the YouTube friends 4G Sai Tech Guru. You will find so many videos which I uploaded. If you type the 4G plus, you can find so many GeoSIM videos as well which I did recently. That will be also helpful for you in case if you want to know more details. So let's see friends, iQ7 how much this phone will be able to grab the signal with the same V SIM card which I'm trying to use. As you can see friends, in same location, so same SIM card which is a V SIM card, in the iQ7 device I'm getting about 43 Mbps, 44. So overall there is a difference of close to 11 Mbps difference is there between OnePlus 9R and the iQ7 device, and even the upload speeds are slightly less, as you can clearly see here. Let me go back and do the test at same time. I'm trying to do the test at same time this time. Let's see which phone will be having the better and faster speeds. So at same time, if I try to do at same time, you can see 30 Mbps I'm getting here, and 25, 26 Mbps I'm getting in the iQ7 device. 31, 24, 30, 26, 31, 26. As you can clearly see friends, the difference. So 31 and 26, the highest scores you can clearly see. Both the OnePlus 9R is also the another winner here in this case. 32 Mbps we are getting in this test, as you can clearly see friends. So this proves that one thing, the OnePlus 9R is slightly better in terms of the 4G reception signals. That is what I am trying to say. Even though I am using the same SIM card in same location, but still I am getting slightly high speeds in the OnePlus 9R. I'm not sure how, but that's a really good in terms of the connectivity. So right now let me try to do the first in the iQ7 device. So I'm trying to do the first in this phone. So it's also getting, as you can see friends, as I said, it's not huge difference. There is a little bit of difference is there, little bit, but not huge. So maybe close to 10 Mbps of difference is there. 47.7, and the upload is of 5 Mbps. So this clearly proves that you need to check all these kind of reviews before buying the smartphones in terms of the connectivity after testing. So let's test in the OnePlus how much the phone can actually give us the speeds in this OnePlus 9R. So in the OnePlus 9R I'm getting about 50, 53. As you can see friends, straight away going above 50 only. It's not listening. It's straight away going 55, 54, always, all the time. And this is only one phone which I got with me which has this kind of high speeds in my studio. Out of all the phones collection, only this OnePlus 9R can get this kind of high speeds. So maybe I need to try with the Mi11X as well, similar kind of testing with the Mi11X. That is another interesting thing which I just remembered. I'll try to do that kind of testing if possible very soon. So these are the overall comparison, friends, the scores between both phones, and these are the quick results as well. So 55, 47, 32, 26, 55, 44. So these are the few details, the differences between both phones. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and in case if you love this kind of punch hole wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description for the wallpaper link. That will be really helpful, and don't forget to use my links to buy the smartphones and the gadgets, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.